Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Electrical Engineering Channel. I'm your host Tyler, and welcome to one of the first episodes of a new series called Quickserv. In the new series, I'll be going over all sorts of different stuff involving servers, basically. But in this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make your HP servers quieter, so quiet that you can actually hear the hard drives running. In fact, I could probably use one of these on my desktop, as long as you keep them cold enough. So with that, let's get right into the video. Alright, so before I actually start doing the fix, I'm just going to demonstrate how loud they currently are. I'm only going to power on one, so I'm going to switch over to my camera's microphone right about now. And as you can see, it is quite loud, especially considering that it is about 59 degrees, about 60 in here. I'm actually wearing a coat right now. And yeah, it basically just stays on the same fan levels no matter how cold it is in here. So now let's go into the BIOS and I'll show you how to fix it. Alright, so of course the first thing that you're going to do is power on your monitor. So that's on. Second thing, if your server is off, go ahead and power it on now. Alright, and then wait for it to boot up, and then I will show you the next step. Okay, so once it starts to boot up, you'll start to see this boot up screen, and you're just going to wait for it to load. So once that is done loading, it's going to tell you in a minute to hit a key. So it says F9 set up right over there. So I'm going to hit F9. Sometimes you have to hit it twice. It's a little slow. Just going to let it boot up. Alrighty, so now it's going to start booting up into the BIOS. Usually makes a beeping noise. Alright, now we're in the BIOS. So we are going to go down to Advanced Options, hit Enter. Then we're going to go to Thermal Configuration. As you can see right here, it says Increased Cooling. We want to turn it to Optimized Cooling, so we're going to hit Enter. We're going to put this to Optimal Cooling, hit Enter again. Hit escape, and then hit escape again, and then it's going to give us this option, and we're going to hit F10, and the server is going to go into basically it's basically going to go into a shutdown sequence, and it's going to restart. Okay, so we're just going to let the server boot up. And as you may be able to hear, no more insanely loud noises. In fact, the humming that you're hearing right now, if you can hear that, is the Ethernet switch and the UPS. Currently, my PowerWare UPS is louder than the actual servers itself. It's pretty amazing. So yeah, and then I'm going to switch back. And so I am now going to play you some recordings where I have butted the microphone right up to the front of the server, and it's pretty amazing because you can actually hear all the hard drives working. So yeah, I'll go play you that right now. Well, that concludes our first episode of Quickserv. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Do it! Just